Hey all, welcome back to My Happy Umbrella, and in today's video I'm gonna share how to make a jack-o'-lantern with your kid. It's just few days away and this year is gonna be a lot different for all of us. We are not going to do trick-or-treating this time, so I thought why not make a jack-o'-lantern with Ivan to keep his festival spirits high. I hope you guys will get some fun ideas from this video, so let's get started. Hi!
So guys, meet Ivan. Ta-da! So, to carve a pumpkin, you need, of course, a pumpkin in a good shape. You can take a big pumpkin or a small one. It is absolutely your choice. Next, you need some knives. I got two kind of knives, a small one to carve and a big one to cut the top part of the pumpkin. Next thing we need is a Sharpie to draw the face of the pumpkin. Some battery operated lights to light the pumpkin. Inspiration for carving. And last but not the least, a waste basket to throw all the waste.
So first of all, we need to cut the pumpkin from the top. Right, Ivan?
Yes.
Yes.
To cut the pumpkin from the top, I drew a line all around the head of the pumpkin to give it a perfect circle shape. This line will be my guide while cutting it. And now we'll cut the pumpkin head.
And then it will get open like this.
Wow.
Ivan, look at it. What's inside?
Yo, white seeds.
White seeds. Now we need to clean it up from inside. Okay?
Yeah,
Ready?
We need to scoop him out.
Yeah, we need to scoop it out.
To clean the inside of the pumpkin, we need to cut it first to loosen the inside part a bit, and then the best way to take it out is to use your hands to scoop out all the seeds and other stuff. And once it is almost clean, I use this spoon to scrape out more from the pumpkin.
So it's all nice and clear from inside now, and we are ready to carve it.
Carve it.
Yes. So this is our inspiration, and we'll make something like that. Right, Ivan?
Yes.
Now it's time to draw the design we have decided to carve the pumpkin. And this is how it looks like after the drawing.
Now we have drawn the face on it, and we will cut it. Okay?
With those knives?
Yes, with those knives.
Now we will start carving from the small knife. We are done with the eyes and nose. Now it's time to carve the mouth of our jack-o'-lantern.
So our pumpkin carving is done, and it's all ready.
It's all ready to light it up.
Yes. So can you put the head back on it? It's done.
But we didn't light it up.
Yeah, we didn't light it up. We need to put some light in it, right? Where are the lights? Can you put these lights inside it? See? It's glowing. It's glowing. High five. We made the
Jack-o'-lantern. Now we can put it outside.
Yeah, we will put it outside.
So this is how we made Ivan's first jack-o'-lantern. It was so fun to do this activity with Ivan, and I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy these kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Do follow me on Instagram for some interesting lifestyle content because I'm more active there. I will see you all in my next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and happy Halloween in advance.